You feel ready to enter a gentle, refreshing experience. That is good. You remember a familiar saying from a well-known writer who once shared these words. My brothers, my sisters, truly I tell you, happy are the cracked ones, for they let the light through. Sometimes light feels distant, and you settle comfortably into this present moment. One day, a child, perhaps 10 years old, went to meet that slightly eccentric man and spoke softly. My father says you are completely illuminated, and he did not truly wish for me to come. Yet when darkness appears, an illuminated presence naturally lights the way. This can bring a gentle smile, the simple wisdom of a child who senses truth. At times, there is no need to think, only to receive the light. And now, quietly, softly, you take a few deep breaths. Seven slow breaths, long and nourishing. As you breathe, the music flows within, as if your whole being absorbs it. Your attention rests gently on the music, floating with its rhythm. Imagination begins to create landscapes, images awakened by each note. Another deep, full breath, and your body remains steady and balanced. With each breath, your body grows heavier, gently rooting itself. not heavy in discomfort, but like a tree deeply grounded in the earth. This may feel familiar, something known, consciously or not. Sensations move softly around you, and even within you. A feeling rises at the beginning of this special experience. Words and notes transform, becoming something more. It is imagination, simple and natural, and yet something magical happens inside. Like an old reflex, a doorway opens, a passage toward freedom, a thread of light. Something appears in the distance, calling gently, inviting softly. It may be a landscape or a place beyond time. Colors shimmer, sparks of light guiding the way. Silence itself becomes audible, a hidden treasure at the heart of everything. And a deeper, wider self calls you gently closer. There is nothing to force. Your mind expands naturally. Memories may arise, sensations of past and hints of future. A universe of colors and feelings, coming together in harmony. That harmony grows, gently accelerating. Soon, awareness reveals what you are approaching. The vision appears, now or a little later. For now, you simply move closer, closer still. This was a short preview from one of our guided hypnosis sessions. You can listen to the full session by following the links in the description. If you enjoyed this experience, consider subscribing for more calm and sleep sessions. Take a moment now to relax and allow calm to settle naturally. Be well.